Okay guys, this is a quick run through different shapes and weights of different caravans. Number 1 on our list is the Jayco Eagle. With a tare weight of 1,100 kilo, it's relatively light and a height when travelling of just 1.66 meters tall. With 2 fold out beds, one on the left, one on the right, this is a fantastic way to utilize space in a pop-up camper. Next on the list we have the Jayco Expander. This is what I would refer to as the highway version, coming in with a tare weight of 1,790 kilos, still quite a light caravan. With a packed away travel height of 2.65 meters, you're almost a meter taller than the other pop-up. But you get so much more. You still have the queen beds at either end, some overhead cupboards, 2 bunk beds if you need them, and this one's fitted with an ensuite. Although I'm not a big fan of the combined shower toilets, as only one person can use it. From there we have the Jayco Expander Outback. This is what I'd call the off-road version. It's jacked up with a bit more clearance underneath it, with a travelling height of 2.85 metres, and with a tare weight of just over 2 tonne. It's got a little bit more weight in it. Still has the queen bed at either end and the 2 bunks, which the bottom one turns into a couch. This one doesn't have the ensuite in it and is just a massive van for what you get, with the fact that it pops out both ends. If you don't like the idea of a pop out and you want more of a full-time caravan, the next step up from there would be Snowy River Caravan. Nothing pops out at either end. There's no work to do. If you ever want to go to the toilet or just jump in and make lunch during the day when you're on the road, you just pull over, jump in and you're done. With an overall height of 3 meters, you're coming in only another 20 centimeters higher than the pop top. And with a tare of just over 2 tonne, you're still towing the same weight. With a kitchen, an L-shaped lounge that could be converted into a bed, and a queen bed at the front, a rear ensuite, and my favourite, a separate toilet and shower. So if someone's in the shower, someone can still be getting ready in the mirror or using the toilet. Next up we have the Jayco Silverline. I really love that front window on these. As you walk in, you have the kitchen on the left. The Silverline comes in with a travel height of 3 metres, with a tare weight of 2.375 tonne. A lounge, opposite seating area and dining table, queen size bed, and then your ensuite. It's worth saying that queen size bed is actually part of a pop out, so when it's closed there's a little bit less room. And last but not least, we have this Kakadu camper. This thing is full off-road spec with all the off-road suspension, underbody protection, a rear tail cutaway for added clearance, full club lounge on the right, kitchen on the left. This caravan comes in with a tare of a little over 2.9 tonne and a height around that similar 3 metre mark. And again, a separate toilet and shower, so that if someone's in the shower, someone can still be getting ready in the mirror or using the toilet. It goes without saying, all of these dealers sell lots of different caravans, and this is just a very small look into what's on offer.
Thanks for watching, bye!